Hello, CNC router users. Those people who is doing business using CNC router machine, operating the CNC router machine and using CNC router machine for different kinds of applications. So for those people, I am like to give them 10 tips so that they can run the business in a very good manner. So this is the objective of today's discussion, and I hope that these points will help you, because most of the CNC router users, they are just behind the tools and the machine. Having the knowledge of right operation of the machine and also usage of different tools and softwares is very important. At the same time, how to run the business properly also is very important, because you can assign these jobs like operating the machines to some people, and also for designing you can outsource it, or you can put some staff for that purpose. But if you want to scale up the business, it is very important to you have to see the other functions of the business. So as a CNC router operating business is concerned, I just want to give you 10 tips so that it will be help you to prosper with the CNC router business. So I have created a slide and we will just go through that. Hi, here I'm going to give you 10 tips to run a CNC router operating business. So this can be act as a guide for operating a profitable CNC router business. So the first point is that you have to understand your market. Many people would have just like that they have bought the CNC router machine, or they will have so many ideas in their mind so that they bought the machine. Beyond all these things, one important thing is that you must understand your market. For that, you have to identify your niche market. There is a number of niches available like signages, custom furniture, prototyping, art piece, decoration, jewelry, and many different kinds of applications and industries the CNC router machine can be used. So first you have to identify for which market, for which kind of use you want to use this your CNC router machine. And you want to get into what kind of business, what kind of industry you want to serve. So that is very important. First, you have to find and what all different niches are available, and on that you have to zero into a particular industry where you want to serve. That is very important. Many people is like that. They are ready. I have a machine. I will serve this industry, that industry. For a smaller market, you may find it okay, but your growth is limited. You have to see that you are strong in a particular field, and then you can go into another field, and like that you can do your business. In that way, it will be more appropriate and it will show your strength. So identifying your niche is very important. So first you have to understand market. For that, first step is you have to identify which market, which area you want to serve. And the second one is you have to do research, not only about how many competitors, how many people are doing this same kind of business. You have to also see that what all their pricing, what all the different kinds of services available they are providing, and what is their unique selling proportion, what way they are selling, what value, what quality, what they are providing, and what is the key things they promote, using words they used to promote their business. So we have to do that kind of research also. So first you have to identify, second you have to research, and third that you have to target your customers, that which is the customer. If you identify your industry or the niche where you want to serve, definitely it is very easy who is your customer. So you have to look at for the target customers. It can be builders, it can be designers, it can be artists, hobbyists, and also like advertising people, on the jewelry making people, and industrial prototyping and automobile or aerospace. Many different areas are there. So you can see that up to those kind of industries, so that you know who is your target customer. So that way you have to target those customers. So that is the first step. In that first step, you have to understand your market. For that, you have to identify your niche, and you have to research on pricing of services and USP and your competitors, and also you have to target your customers, who is identify who is your. So this is the first point that you have to do. This is the first tip that you have to do. So generally people not go step by step. See, if you are making some particular dish, that time you may require a particular system steps, that I will do this thing, I will put water first, then put salt, then the different steps will be there. Like that also, while you are doing business, you must adopt a particular steps, so that it will be easy for you, that you will not miss any steps, and you will at the end you will get the right kind of results. So this is the first step that you have to do, is to understand your market. Then the second step is that to optimize your CNC router. Now you have the machine, your technical resource is your CNC router machine. So you have to see that you are properly maintaining it, and like you are doing cleaning, lubrication, and checking it regularly for its functionality and all those kind of things. And also you are upgrading different kinds of tool bits for different kinds of application and all those kind of things. And you also have to calibrate that it is running in proper. If you are giving 100 mm, it also give the move 100 mm like that, and the accuracy is there, consistency is there, all those kind of things you have to make sure. And also in using the software also, if you are know how to use this CAD/CAM software properly, and you can maximum utilize that software to get the optimum result. So in that way, you have to see that your system, mainly this technical resources, that whatever is available with you for this business, you have to optimize it. Especially the main resource is CNC router, so you have to optimize your CNC router machine. Then the next point is that managing the cost. It's also very important, as money matters, so that you have to see the what's the cash flow, and also different financial aspect also you have to see where the cost is involved, especially material selections. If you are buying bulk material, you can save a lot of money and you have better deals, and you can reduce wastage, like using nesting software for optimizing the cutting, so that you can reduce the wastage using the nesting software. And also in the energy side also, you can see how you can efficiently use it and operate during off-peak hours. All those kind of things you can adopt while running the CNC router machines. That is the third point, is the costing factor, that is managing your cost. And the fourth point is that marketing and brand. You have an area you want to serve, you have the resources for that, and you also have all the kind of setup system for that. Now you have to make sure that the people also know about it. What is your expertise? People, the world should know that. Then only you have, for that, what we call is marketing and branding. So you have to create a portfolio, showcase work on a website and social media. You can take out so many samples, you can make a brochure, and you can also physical showcase also you can do, so that people come, your customers can come and see that what kind of works you are doing, what kind of way you are serving the other customers. So you have to create a portfolio in your online also. You can also make a physical copy like brochures and all those kind of things, and leverage social media, share CNC process videos and projects, whatever the projects. And you can make a video each and every time you execute some particular, you may not be all project, but some project where some key elements you can project, so that in social media you will be more famous and more customers will reach out to you. And the other point is networking, attend the trade shows and connect with clients. So trade show is some place you can showcase your samples or whatever the job you are doing, and you can even offer the physical samples and prototypes to customers to demonstrate what all works you are doing, what all your capability. When you are a salesperson going and meeting any customer, he can show them this is the thing that what we are doing. They can show the samples and all those kinds. So this way, the fourth point is marketing and brand. Then the fifth point is provide value added service. That is, anyway, everybody is giving the services, but you must give a value addition, like that customer design assistant, help clients to achieve their vision, because it's very important to exactly meeting their customer requirement. We have to delight them, we have to give them extra effect of what they are looking for. So we should give proper assistance, especially for CNC router machine. Design is very important, so we should able to reach their expectations in that. And finishing services, and most of the times CNC router may be doing 80% or 90% of the work. The balance finishing, that post-processing work will be there, like sanding, painting and coating and all those kind of things. So that all services also, finishing services also, if you are providing, the customer will be more happy. And you can also, that value addition, you can charge more also if you are giving it as a finished products and all those kind of things. That is a real advantage. And fast turnaround, deliver project quickly and efficiently. So that is very important in every business, because what we call is speed is money. we should be very fast to deliver the services. This is the fifth point, that we must give a value addition to customer. Then the sixth, pricing strategy. Pricing strategy is very important when you are in the market, when there is a lot of competitors is there, and different customers with a different taste is there. So we must have this pricing strategies like cost analysis, include materials, labor, machine time, and overhead, and also we have to do a proper cost analysis and tiered pricing, like offer basic, premium, and like that high level services also you can provide, and and you have to charge for value. Like if you are giving a high precision work and high quality work and all those, then you can have a separate pricing for that. So this way you must have a proper pricing strategy. And seventh point is streamline the operations. So even though if you are getting a lot of orders, we should be able to execute it in a proper manner. So we should make a efficient workflow, organize jobs to minimize setup time, and the job should be properly scheduled. You may use some project management softwares, or you can do some automating processes, save time with automation and all. So that is the more one of the important things, is that streamlining the operation so that you can have better productivity. The eighth point is that build a skilled team. So together, all these things, we must have the manpower. That is, we have to build a proper team. So for that we have to teach them, train them on what all the different operations, maintenance, and softwares, and whatever different things have to be done. So we have to teach them, and we have to assign them also specialized jobs, specific roles we can assign, so that they can do with responsibility. And we must also follow their as a foreman or as a supervisor on different aspects of quality, safety, and punctuality, and all those things. So we have to have some protocols for that. So this is the eighth point, that is build a skilled team. And ninth point is stay updated. So it's very important that in industry, the trends are changing so frequently, so fast. Keep up with the technology and design services, and also we have to take the customer feedback, so that we will know what all improvements we have to do based on the client's input, and also expand services. Like that, if we are doing with CNC router machine, you can do some complementary services, technology like laser cutting, plasma cutting, water jet. Like that, you can also try by the side of it. So when you want to scale up your business, so that time you may require those kind of things. So that's also very important, that we have to stay updated. Then the 10th point is financial management. So it's very important, financial management. As we done for the costing, we should track our finances using accounts, softwares, tools to monitor the profitability and all other things. And we also reinvest in growth, upgrade the equipments and softwares, and also we can expand services. Like that, we can put different similar kind of machines. And also we have to manage the cash flow, plan for a lean period, and save resources. This is also very important. So these are the points that normally the CNC router business people, operating business people generally will know, be taking care, because most of the CNC routers are running in the factory floor, where it may be a small strategic business unit, maybe a part of the particular production process. They will not be separately accounting it. And in many shops, you will find that CNC router machine, it may be like a self business. So there people may not be taking that much interest, because the business money and the personal money is all are mixed up. So they will not be taking proper care on the financial management as treating CNC router operation job work, doing job work as a business. So if they consider that, definitely they have to implement all these points to make your business very successful. Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the CNC router specialist and a business expert. I help CNC router operators and CNC router users, or CNC router business people to do the business in a proper way. If you want to join my webinar, you may also find the link in the description. So thank you very much for listening and taking out your time, and it shows your commitment to your growth. All the best.